Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to do the update on LEDGER Stax. To do it, in the app you can go to My Ledger, then click on your ledger that you have, and now you'll have different options here. And you should see OS update available if there is an OS update available. Let's click on Start OS Update. Now it'll start preparing the update by backing up the settings and app, transferring update to LEDGER Stax. Now on the device you'll need to click on Install to confirm the update. And it will restart multiple times, and after the installation has finished it'll ask you for your PIN. Now the installation is finished, I'll need to just enter my PIN. Of course, I'm showing you this only because this device doesn't have any money and will not have any money on. And now it's just restoring apps and settings. Click on Finish. Allow a secure connection. And now it is connected. It still says there's an update for some reason, even though I have updated. I'm gonna quickly verify which version I have right now. Has 1.6.1 and it says that there is 1.6.2 available, so I'm just gonna repeat the update. But that's about it for this video. I hope that the video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.